Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Friday, February 7. Government is implementing several measures to supply communities island-wide with water during the current period of drought. The Meteorological Service of Jamaica reports that the country will be experiencing near normal rainfall in some areas and moderately dry conditions up to at least April. Minister with responsibility for water, Pernell Charles Jr., says the multi-sectoral approach to drought management being undertaken is to minimize the effects of the dry period on Jamaicans. A drought management committee, an arm of the Integrated Water Resources Management Council, has been established to manage the execution of the plan.
Drought management plan also has within its components drought response activities that are aimed at the rapid intervention for the prevention of loss of lives, protection of health, prevention of loss, of course, of livelihood and property.
Minister Charles Jr. was speaking at yesterday's press conference on drought mitigation at Jamaica House. The committee is chaired by the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management. It consists of representatives from the National Environment and Planning Agency, Rural Agricultural Development Authority, and the Ministries of Health, Local Government, and Economic Growth and Job Creation. Approximately 26 rural water system projects will be completed for 2020, 18 of them by March and the remaining 8 by June. This will provide water to an additional 56,000 Jamaican residents. Senator Charles Jr. says 38 schools will also be fitted with rainwater harvesting systems by March, and more trucks will be bought to distribute water to the hardest hit areas.
And during the drought period, the fee for sterilization is proposed to be waived, something which several truckers that we have interacted with and engaged has indicated as one of the obstacles to them doing more trucking.
Steps are being taken by government to increase security measures at Cornwall College in St. James. This follows the recent assault of the school's Dean of Discipline by a parent whose child was being bullied. The news was revealed by Minister of State in the Education Ministry, Orlando Terrelong, during a recent visit to the institution.
One of the things that we'll be doing at the ministry level is doing an estimate to see what sort of, in terms of surveillance system can be installed here at Cornwall College. We recognize that our teachers, that they are an important part in nation building. There can be no growth, development and prosperity without our teachers.
Since the incident, the ministry has met with the school board, Parent Teachers Association and police to put other security measures in place. He assured students, teachers and the principal that their safety and security were of paramount importance to the government.
So it was important for us as a ministry to stand with our teachers, to stand with our principals and say this sort of behavior, this sort of violence that happened here, it must never happen, it must never ever be repeated.
The incident at Cornwall College is the second such assault against a teacher in the parish within a week. A teacher at the Dumfries Primary School was allegedly attacked and injured by a parent because his child's book was not marked. Starting this month, the services offered by the Transport Authority will be done through a cashless system. Transport Minister Robert Montague says this is to ensure a safer and more efficient system.
We're going cashless. We won't be collecting cash. So no more $5,000 bill and $1,000 bill and $100 bill and $500 bill. Are the coins, with no more cold hard cash. You have to pay with your credit card, your debit card, or you go to Paymaster or Bills Express or NCB or Scotia.
Minister Montague was speaking on Tuesday at the Transport Authority and Hope National Service Corps Drivers Training launch. The Transport Ministry is also planning on adding more financial institutions to this arrangement in the near future. The closed season for Queen Conch is now in effect until March 31, 2020. This was declared on February 1 by Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw in an effort to protect the industry. During this time, it is illegal to catch, sell, or process any conch meat. Conch meat that was previously declared must remain in cold storage until the season officially reopens in April. It is also illegal for any person to catch queen conch and or harvest any conch products, whether it be the shell or conch opercula. The ministry is appealing to and warning against breaches of the regulations and urges stakeholders to help safeguard the livelihood of thousands of Jamaicans involved in the conch industry. And finally, the Jamaica House Basic School has received much-needed books, learning aids, and other supplies courtesy of the Optimist Club of Kingston and Lady Allen. Representatives of the club and Lady Allen handed over the educational materials as well as snacks to the school on Thursday. Lady Allen stressed the importance of reading as an integral aspect of learning.
It's very, very important that all our boys and girls learn to read. So we want to encourage you to start reading. Your best toy is your books.
The initiative formed part of the club's observation of International Optimist Day, which was held under the theme Just Imagine. Principal of the Jamaica House Basic School, Veronica Parkinson Burnett, expressed gratitude for the gifts.
This is a welcome theme. Imagine what would the world be without us. And so I just want to say thanks to the Optimist Club and thanks to our Honorable Lady Allen also for partnering with us, and we hope that this is the beginning of a long and lasting relationship. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.